All right, so A plus B, you guys probably already have this done, hopefully. Yeah. What did you say? No solution. Why is A plus B not possible? They're not the same size. If they're not the same size, it's not possible. 2A. What will 2A be?
Just take 2 times 8.
2, 4, 6, 8?
Yes.
Well, you missed that. You are in sad shape. C. A times B. Is this a doable problem?
Yes.
Yes, because as Bo showed us earlier, this is a 2 by 2, this is a 2 by 3. These match, so my answer will be another 2 by 3.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to take to fill this first blank, we'll take our first row times our first column. I got -1.
Yep.
Then I'll take my first row times my second column.
6.
Ooh, I got 7.
She gets 7.
Yeah.
Because if I'm doing first row, second column, it's 1, 2, and 1, 3. So that's going to give me 7, right?
Yeah.
And then first row, third column will be 8.
8, yeah.
Do you have a quiz tomorrow? Okay, what'd you get on the bottom? -3. I got 15.
Yep.
And 20. Anybody have a question about any of those numbers? Any of those numbers bother you? We always multiply rows times columns. And when I circle them, that kind of keeps my eyes focused. All right, D, A plus 2D. Are these going to be addable?
Yes.
So there's A. Now I'm going to add 2D. So 2, 4, -2, 10.
Yes.
2D.
Yep.
Now I'm going to add those position by position. So 1 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 minus 2, and 4 and 10. How does that look to everybody?
Mm-hmm.
C times B. Now before, that's a lot of writing, so before I write it all out, what are the dimensions of C?
3 by 3.
3 by 3. What are the dimensions of B?
2 by 3.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
I mean,
whoa,
3 by
whoa.
my bad.
Yeah, I don't think we can do those, can we?
No.
Everybody understand that C is 3 by 3,
Yep.
and B is 2 by 3,
Yep.
and therefore not multipliable. A minus D, can I do it?
Yes.
A minus D. I can do it because they are the same size. So here we go. 1 minus 1,
0.
2 minus 2,
0.
3 minus -1,
4.
and 4 minus 5.
-1.
No issues?
Nope.
All right, backside, we just learned this today. We're quizzing tomorrow, so let's practice here, make sure we got it. What's our strategy with the first one?
Copy first 2 rows.
First two columns.
Columns, my bad.
Yeah, I think you know what you meant, but you need to be careful. They are columns. Right?
Yep.
And we're going to do this correctly. So we're starting right here and we're multiplying. So that gives me a 1 and a 0 and another 0. Now down here. 0, 2, -4. So on my downs, I got a 1 total, and on my ups, I got a -2 total. What do I do with those two numbers?
You should get
Marita, what are you doing back there? What are you doing? 1 minus -2, so that is 3. Remember, we subtract the downs minus the ups. Now, what about B? It's a little one. Most of you can even do this in your head. It's going to be 3 minus -2. 3, -2, subtract. So the answer to that one is 5. Now, I threw those last two in because sometimes, instead of writing the problem with the vertical bars, sometimes it just says DET, and that means the same thing. So for problem C, we're going to find the determinant of matrix C. So we're going to find the determinant of this matrix, matrix C on the front side. So you say, Miss, well, we already did this once. Yeah, we're just practicing it again. So we got 0 and 1 and 12. Besides, it's kind of fun. And then we got 0 and 4 and -6. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. It's really easy. So the answer is 13 minus -2, so you are right, Garris, it's 15. And what about the very last one? No answer, impossible. Why?
It's not a square.
It's not square. We only find determinants when the matrices are square.
Yeah.
Tomorrow on your quiz, there will probably be a problem or two that is impossible because the dimensions aren't right or something, okay? So be ready for that.
How many points is this quiz?
I don't know. But yes, it's going to be just like the one you just took.